What's up, Braves? I'm Alejandro Otero, and I'm here to give you some tips and tricks for all the upcoming seniors. Juniors, as you know, the school year is 2 months away from ending, so y'all will be the next class up, big class of 26. So, number one is make sure you look at other routes besides college. I know people might push college on you, but there's also other routes such as the military and the shipyard. Second, if you are going to college, make sure you want to be the first at everything. That means during the summer, I know you might not want to do this because it's the summer, but make sure that you're looking at scholarships and applying to your colleges. So that way, when September comes around, you're already ready and you're just waiting to hear back from colleges. Third, make sure you complete your FAFSA form out immediately. Like once it drops, usually drops in December, make sure that you want to be that on a first come, first served basis. And fourth, it's your senior year. Just have fun. Make sure that you do everything that you want to do. Get involved with a lot of activities because it's your last year of high school. And once you graduate, you're not going to realize it till about a year later, probably a couple months, that you're really going to miss your high school years. Anyways, Braves, I'm Alejandro Otero, and I hope to see you guys soon. Braves are who we are, and Rise is what we do. P.S. Braves, you do need to take your SAT and ACT. They're no longer doing exempts from college applications or scholarships. So make sure you get on it. Peace, Braves.